Today I'm making Greek meatballs, and for that you need some mince, onion, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes, feta cheese, paprika, salt and pepper, some cream or milk and some flour. Finely dice the onion, garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes and add it to your mince. I'm using beef, but you can also use lamb. I haven't tried chicken, but I would think that would work as well. Add some salt and pepper and paprika. How much is up to you. It's however much you like it. Mix it all together, then add 1 egg. Some cream or milk. And then some flour. And then you mix it all together again. The last ingredient you add is the feta cheese. These ones are in marinated sun-dried tomatoes. I'm not going to use the oil, I'm just going to use the cheese. I am using whatever sun-dried tomato I can get out with the cheese, but I don't want the oil with it. Then you mix that in with the rest of the ingredients, and then you're ready to cook them on your frying pan. Melt some margarine on your frying pan, and once it's ready, you just start cooking your meatballs. I'm wearing gloves because I decided to do them in my hands. If you think it's too soft, you just add a little bit more flour. Just pop them on like so. And just continue till you're done. Turn them over and they have a nice color. Almost done. Over here I have a cream of tomatoes sauce that I had in my freezer. I just defrosted and heated, and we are having spinach pasta to go with it. And here we have the final result. Enjoy. The recipe for the sauce is on my page under one of my videos. Have a look at it.